What's going on, guys? So this is going to be a really quick video. A lot of you guys have been asking about the water system I have going on my truck, and here it is. So this is basically it. I do have it mounted on my rack, and you basically turn this, put the water in here. You got the pressure tab here, pressurize the pipe, and you'll have some running water. Pretty basic. Turn it on. It does carry 3.5 gallons, and I also carry a rotopack that carries 2.5, so that's 6 gallons total. That shower is about 2 people, and I'm gonna demonstrate how it works. There's 2 ways of doing this. You can actually just pressurize it to about 15 psi and use it like that, or you can just use it while the compressor is on. So I'll demonstrate both of them. So I'm going to pressurize it to about 15 psi. And you'll have running water. That's without the compressor. That's basically just pressurizing it. Or the other option is just to leave the compressor on. And you'll have never-ending water. And you can use this to rinse your truck, rinse your tires, rinse, I don't know, your dog. Basically everything and anything. You can take a shower, and it's pretty neat. I'm telling you, if you're camping, you're surfing, you're overlanding, a nice clean rinse always feels nice after a long day. So this video was just to demonstrate my water system, and as you can tell, it's still going. Once it runs out of water, it does something like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a really short video, but it's just to demonstrate my water system that a lot of you guys have been asking about. My buddy Josh is the one that was the creator of this. So if you guys want to hit him up to get one custom made for your truck, I'll put his link down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.